Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into the world of Indian cuisine with a hearty and flavorful dish, pork biryani. This aromatic and delicious biryani is a blend of tender pork, fragrant basmati rice and a medley of aromatic spices. The combination of flavors and textures is truly irresistible. We'll start by marinating the pork in a flavorful blend of spices, yogurt and vinegar. This will tenderize the meat and infuse it with a burst of flavor. Then we'll cook the marinated pork until it is golden brown and tender. And then the next step is to cook the basmati rice with aromatic spices like cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Once the rice is cooked, we'll layer it with the marinated pork and a rich and flavorful gravy. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making pork biryani. From marinating the pork to layering the biryani, I'll make sure you have everything you need to recreate this delicious dish in your own kitchen. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add some salt to taste. Add 3-inch cinnamon stick, 15 cloves, 2 star anise, 10 green cardamom, 4 bay leaves, 4 tablespoon oil. Then allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. Then add 3 cups basmati rice, clean and washed. Then cover it and allow the rice to cook for about 70%. Then take 1 kg pork belly cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoon vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Half tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 tablespoon Coriander Powder, half tablespoon Cumin Powder, 2 tablespoon Shan Biryani Masala, 2 tablespoon Laziza Biryani Masala. Check the link in the description below for the masalas. Then add 3 tablespoon yogurt, 3 stock cube. Mix it and marinate it for about 1 hour. Then check on the rice. Give it a nice mix. As you can see that the rice is cooked for about 70%. Then simply strain the rice. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 4 onions sliced. And fry the onion until it is nice and dark brown. Something like this. Make sure to divide the fried onion into 2 equal portions. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then to make the masala paste, take a mixer jar. Add 1 bunch coriander leaves along with the stems. Add 5 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon black peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Add some salt to taste. Add 3 cm round tamarind soaked in water for about 20 minutes. And then add 1 part of fried onion which was previously done. Add about 4 tablespoon water and then blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then to make the pork, in a hot pan add oil, add 2 onions chopped and fry the onion until it is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are soft. Then add the marinated pork and give it a nice mix. Then add 1 cup water and cover it and cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then add the masala paste which was previously made. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 cup water and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it again for about 20 minutes. Mix it and cook it until the curry is nice and thick. Then leave this aside. Then to layer the biryani, add rice at the bottom of the pan. Then add the pork gravy. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Add some fried onion. Then add more rice. Then add the pork gravy. Then add the remaining rice. And add some chopped coriander leaves, some fried onion, and add some red or orange food coloring. And then finish it with 2 tablespoons ghee. Cover it and cook it on a low flame for about 30 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. And there you have it guys, a delicious and aromatic pork biryani. The perfect blend of tender pork, fragrant rice and flavorful spices will leave you craving more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.